In this tutorial, I will show you how to resize an image PNG in Photoshop. I have this PNG, but I would like to make it bigger. So what I'm gonna do, I will press on File, then New, and now let's create a bigger project, 1920 on 1080. This will be enough for me. Let's press on Create, and now let's go back to the original project. Select the layer, the PNG, press Ctrl and C to copy it, and now go back to the bigger project, Ctrl and V to paste it. And now, if you want to readjust the size of an image PNG in Photoshop, you can simply drag and drop it from the margins to make it bigger. But if you have an older version of Photoshop, you can do that. First, you'll have to press Ctrl and T, as in Tom, and now you'll be able to readjust the size. And once you're done, press Enter, so the PNG will remain there. And now, if you would like to export it by any chance with this size, you'll have to right click here at the layers on the PNG, then you'll find quick export as PNG, give it a name and select a location and press on save. Something else which you can do when you are readjusting the size of an image PNG in Photoshop is that you can even do stuff like that. All you have to do, press Ctrl and T to readjust the size of an image PNG, and now hold the Ctrl on your keyboard and with the mouse drag and drop the points from the margins. So in this way the image PNG will not grow equally on the height and the width. All you have to do, hold the Ctrl and readjust the size as you like. So this is how to readjust the size of an image PNG in Photoshop. I hope this tutorial answered all your questions, and thank you a lot for watching.